From World of Concrete 2019, I'd like you to now meet Wade Bowman, who's sales manager with Wirtgen Group. How are you?
I'm doing fine.
Nice to see you.
Nice to be here. Thanks for having me.
What'd you bring to the show this year?
Well, we've got 5 machines inside. We've got a curb machine. We've got a machine set up for barrier. We've got a mainline paver, a crusher, a texture cure machine, and then outside we're running a live demo of a curb machine running on a Stringless 3D system, our Autopilot 2 system.
Well, talk about this Autopilot. I understand that's a new concept, and Stringless is just interesting as heck.
It sure is. It's a hot topic in the industry now. Even the contractors who aren't quite ready to go that direction, they're thinking about it. Everybody knows it's the wave of the future. We've got our proprietary system called Autopilot 2, running demos outside in the bronze lot. But inside on our other machines, we're showing a Trimble 3D stringless system, a Topcon system, and a Leica system. So we're showing all the above.
So you're incorporating all of those into Wirtgen equipment?
Yes, we are. We can work with all the major manufacturers, and we've got installations out in the field with all those as well.
Really interesting. Now, what is this? You know, you've been in the equipment business for years and years and years. Is this just like the topping on the cake?
Well, the stringless is it's very exciting for us. We've been involved in that since 1997.
No, really,
yes,
that long?
And I think we're definitely reaching critical mass on those kind of products.
All right, yeah.
And that way of controlling machines.
Sure.
There's still a lot of contractors out there using string line, of course, but
right.
You can see it coming that it's every year a little bit more, a little bit more. So.
Well, give me an idea what this provides to a contractor as opposed to stringing.
Well, it improves the logistics on their job sites. The trucks can come and go wherever they like. It doesn't restrict things like a string line would. And quite frankly, no one wants to bang in pins and set string line anymore.
Right.
It's a real hassle. It's a lot of extra stuff to carry around.
Isn't it?
Time consuming. It's got to be set up before the job starts, and then it's got to be torn down afterwards.
Yeah.
With a stringless system, the upfront costs are fairly significant, but
exactly.
It saves time and money
in the long
with every
run
job
down
in
the road.
Yes,
it's got to be a big money saver.
Absolutely.
Big money saver. And a time saver, and time consuming to me would be one opposed to the other.
Well, and most of the jobs are stringless from the ground up, so
right.
It seems a real pity that after all this work has been done and the models are in place, to set up string line at the very end to put in curb or paving.
Right.
So that method is going.
Have you brought new equipment to the show this year as well?
Our Autopilot 2 system is new. It's an update of our Autopilot 1 system.
Okay.
It's got a lot of neat features. A bigger tablet to work on that's much more user friendly, and it's got some other features that the original version did not have. We're showing a mainline paver. We've done that in the past, but as we get more and more into bringing our big pavers into the American market, we're showing a 24-foot paver out there, and from there we go up, and we're filling out the rest of our product line in America. So
you find that some of these jobs are exponentially becoming bigger and bigger, and you have to go to that as a manufacturer? Well,
it's a question of being able to satisfy all the different requirements.
Okay.
Most of the work is rehab work, so we don't see a bunch of the wide widths, but we still see it on airport jobs and sometimes some jobs that will have pavement and integral curb, things like that. So we really need to have that capability, although, like I said, most of the work nowadays is rehab work. So,
really?
Yeah. So it's about mobilization and ride. Those are the two main, for a paver, the two main sticking points.
Really?
You got to be able to get in and out of a job quickly, get set up and go, and then the ride coming out the back is critical. And contractors make or break a job based on the ride. And that's one of the things I love about our equipment. It's got everything you'd expect in a Wirtgen, the German engineering, the high-tech manufacturing, the high-end componentry that allow for a very precise product to come out, and we've seen ride numbers that are unparalleled in the industry.
Really? It's very interesting. Bring a great message. Appreciate you stopping by.
Well, thanks for having me. It's been a pleasure.
Wade Bowman, sales manager for Wirtgen. All of it right here from World of Concrete of 2019.